If your Toyota RAV4 refuses to start, the sound it makes is the biggest clue to finding the fix. Over 70% of no-start issues on modern RAV4s are traced back to simple battery or terminal problems. Let us break down what those specific sounds are telling you. Always start with the basics like checking for loose terminals or a dead key fob battery before assuming the worst. A rapid clicking sound usually means your battery has enough power for the lights, but not enough to turn the engine over. If you hear one loud click or total silence, the starter motor itself or the safety switch is the primary suspect. You can handle battery and terminal issues in your driveway, but starter motor replacements are best left to the pros. Here is what you can expect to pay for parts and labor if you need to replace your battery versus the starter. If the basics check out, use a multimeter to ensure current is actually reaching the starter during the start sequence. Keep a basic 10 wrench and a multimeter in your emergency kit to handle most electrical troubleshooting on the go. Always remember, never attempt to jump start a battery that shows signs of physical damage or acid leaks. If you still cannot get your RAV4 moving, check your owner's manual for the nearest service center.